What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be using what we have in our makeup collection. I want to create like a bronzy, glowy look today. Just gonna clip my hair back. I've already done my skin prep and I did use the POV skincare line. I really have been loving that. I think it looks so good on the skin. It's very hydrating for your skin. I wouldn't say it's really helped with my redness any yet, but I haven't been using it for that long, only a few weeks. I love that it doesn't break me out because I do have sensitive skin. Overall, I really do love the skincare line. I usually do my eyebrows and then apply all of the products because if I don't give it time to soak into the skin, then it does break apart my makeup around my mouth pretty bad. But if I give it time to like soak in before I apply foundation and everything on top of it, I do not have that issue. So it just needs like a little bit of time to sink into the skin. Starting off on the eyes, I'm going to prime with this Milani primer. Just put a little on the finger and rub it on the lid. This primer works amazing. It doesn't have like any color to it, which I wish it did. This stuff really makes your eyeshadow stick, adhere, and last. I will go ahead and just set it down with a little bit of my Easy Bake. I love to set down any primer that I apply just because I feel like my eyeshadows go on smoother. I feel like if I still have a tacky base, then they kind of just like stick in one place and it's harder to blend them out. So I am going to be using Huda Beauty's Empowered palette today. I have not got a chance to try this one out. This one is absolutely stunning. I mean, seriously, look at the palette. Is that not gorgeous? Okay, so I think I want to start off with probably this shade and maybe a little of that one. Just like the two lightest like peachy shades. Starting those in the crease, and I'm just going to work them up to the brow. Then I think I'm going to go in with this darkest brown shade right here. I'm just going to put that on this outer corner. I love Huda Beauty's eyeshadows. They are so good. They blend out like so easily. They're pigmented. Stunning. Just going back in with the first two shades to blend out. I really want to go in, I think, with this shade here. This feels like a balmy shade, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like that. Just gonna pick it up with the finger and apply. Yeah, it feels like a cream. I'll just pick it up on like a flat brush and blend it into the corner since it is a cream shade. I actually think I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this shade on the finger and tap over just to kind of blend out the edges. It's pretty much like the same color, just in powder form. So I just want to blend out these edges a little. The cream shade isn't bad, it's just probably not my favorite. I don't usually love cream products just because I have very hooded eyes and a lot of times cream products can crease on me. Go back in with the peachy shades again just to blend everything out. Go ahead and clean up with a makeup wipe. So far I'm loving it. It looks very bronzy. I'm just going to go ahead and add in some black eyeliner. I do think I want to try a little bit of this black cream in the palette just to see if I can make like a little wing out of it. Usually I like to do this with powder, but since it's here, might as well try it and see. I don't know if this is supposed to be like for a base or what, but then again, I'll go back and clean up with my wipe. Okay, so before I go any further, I want to go in with this rock. This is an eye balm. It looks like this. It's like orange. It has vitamin C in it. I got this as like a free sample, but I figured let's try it and see. Just rub it in with the finger. Feels very good under the eye. Very hydrating. And that way that can kind of like soak in under the eye while I'm doing foundation and everything. For primer today, I'm using my Uoma Beauty because this is a very glowy primer. Foundation, I'm going in with these two today. I mixed these the other day and I really loved how glowy my skin was, so we're gonna do it again today. Just using a sponge to blend out. I feel like with these two together, you get such a nice coverage, but also your skin is just like so glowy. I love it. Concealer, I'm going in with Morphe today. Just blending it out with a sponge. Bronzer, I'm just going to go in with Pixi. I'm going to pick it up on the brush and just blend it out on the skin. The concealer before I did my blush today, just because the blush I'm using is super light. Blush I'm using is LA Colors. This is a really pretty peachy shade. And I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this P. Louise highlighter just to give it a little bit of glow. Just blending it out with a brush. See, it's like super light, so I didn't want to put concealer over top of and take away. Most of the time I do opposite because I like to blend my concealer into my blush. But most of the time my blush is like a brighter color. This one's just like super natural. It's looking stunning, looking super glowy. I love it. Now I'm just gonna go in and set with a little bit of Huda Beauty powder. I literally love this powder so much. If you've never tried it, highly recommend. Let's go in with some powdered bronzer. I'm using Too Faced. This one has like a little bit of gold glitter in it and it just shimmers so beautiful. I love this one for summer. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush. This one is so beautiful. It is a really pretty peach, but it has a really beautiful sheen to it. It looks like the blush and highlighter mixed together. Like, yeah. It's so pretty. I'm loving it's looking good so far. Okay, let's go in and do a little bit of highlighter. We all know Fenty Beauty highlighter. Super sad that this is just a limited edition because it's my favorite highlighter ever. Even though the blush is glowy, like we have to add some more glow because why wouldn't I? A little on the nose. Go back in with the blush brush. I love. Finish the lower lash line. I'm gonna go into, I believe, this shade here. Buff out that lower lash line. And I'm also just gonna take highlighter and add to the inner corner and also the brow bone. Okay, so let's go in and curl the lashes. Mascara, I'm gonna be using Makeup by Mario. I love this mascara. Now we are going to run a little brow gel through the brows. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna be using some e.l.f. lip liners. I think this Too Faced lipstick and also Beauty Creations lipstick. Starting off with e.l.f. Espresso Martini. I love this shade. Then I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced lipstick. They smell so good. Yep. Yes. This one's in the shade Buttercream. Then I think I'm gonna go in with a little Beauty Creations just in the center. Lighten it up a smidge. Go in with the darkest lip liner from e.l.f. I think it's Dark Cocoa, just to define the lip. Then I like to go back in with the lighter shade of lip liner, which is Espresso Martini, and blend out, just so it gives you a nice gradient. Last but not least, I'm going in with Milani Make It Last. This is like one of my all-time favorite setting sprays. I buy the jumbo because I use it so much. I have purchased so many of those. I'm gonna let that completely dry down. I literally love this look so much. It looks so good. But I am gonna go on top with a little bit of this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. It's like streaming at me. I don't know what it is about setting sprays, but I have just been struggling with setting sprays lately. None of them want to spray correctly. They all want to dot my face up. Let's let this dry down. This is exactly what I envisioned for this look. I'm so happy with it. It's very glowy, very bronzy. It's so perfect. I love it. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and having some girl time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.